we have the sidelong glances of Radharani, but Krishna doesn't have any sidelong glances, or Lord Shiva does write a prayer called Krishna Kripa Kataksha. But that may be when he's in the presence of his mother and brother, and Radharani's in front of him, and Govardhan Leela, then he may have to look out of the corner of his eyes so that his mother doesn't catch him looking at somebody else's wife, or his brother. Of course, his brother actually, he thought his brother caught him in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. In the chapter on Hasyaras, it explains that when Krishna was holding up Giridhari, he was just glancing around nonchalantly at all the Brijvasis and all his beloved Brijvasis, and somehow his the bumblebees of his eyes landed on the most beautiful and attractive nectar-filled 2 golden lotus flowers, and with the little red, on those blossoming golden lotus flowers was a little red pollen. So the bumblebees of Krishna's eyes were very excited to take that red pollen and some of the nectar in that flower, if you can understand what that is. And then Krishna became really a little disturbed, and he started trembling when he was holding the hill, and he was going like this. And all the coward men went, "Oh, he's feeling the weight of the hill," and they put up their sticks to hold up the hill. And then Balaram was looking at the coward men putting up, because he has a big plow, he has a hala, and he has a gada, he has a big club, he could hold the whole universe. He does hold the whole universe on his head like a mustard seed in the form of Ananta Shesh. So there's no problem holding heavy weights on his head like a gopi. So Ananta Shesh has the whole universe on the top of his hood. So he didn't put up his stick, but he saw all the coward men afraid that Krishna would drop the hill. So he was laughing at that. He was looking at Krishna and laughing at the coward men. And then Krishna kind of forgot himself. His bumblebee eyes got kind of trapped in those lotus flowers for a moment, and he lost his balance, so to speak. And then when he looked again towards the direction of the Brijvasis and he saw Balaram laughing, actually it was in a section called Shyness, where Krishna became embarrassed, and he turned red with embarrassment because he was shy that my older brother just caught me glancing at the charms and delights of my beloved. And consequently, he's laughing at me, and I'm now embarrassed because he knows about my secret, as if he didn't know. So this is Krishna's. This is in the chapter Krishna showing shyness in front of his elder brother. Very cute.